In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cache everything in Cloudflare. Whether you're looking to improve your website's loading speed or reduce server load, enabling cache everything can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to set this up step by step and ensure it's configured correctly for optimal performance. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your website settings through Cloudflare. So make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Select the domain you want to modify. This ensures that any changes you make will apply specifically to that website and not to any others. Next, navigate to the Rules section in the dashboard. The Rules section is where you can create and manage all your page rules, which are essentially instructions that tell Cloudflare how to handle your website traffic. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new page rule. Click on Create Page Rule to get started. Now, in the If the URL matches field, you'll need to enter a wildcard pattern. This pattern tells Cloudflare which parts of your site the rule will apply to. For example, if you want the rule to cover your entire website, you can use something like yourdomain.com, replacing yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. The asterisk at the end is important because it ensures the rule applies to all pages and subdirectories of your site. Once you've entered the URL pattern, click on Add a Setting. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cache Level. This is the setting that determines how Cloudflare handles caching for the pages covered by this rule. After selecting Cache Level, you'll see an option to choose the specific cache level here. Select Cache Everything. By doing this, you're instructing Cloudflare to cache not just static assets like images and style sheets, but also HTML pages, which can significantly improve load times for your visitors. At this point, you have the option to add an Edge Cache TTL setting. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it determines how long cached content will remain on Cloudflare's servers before it's refreshed. While this step is optional, it's a good practice to specify a duration, such as 1 day or 7 days, depending on how frequently your content changes. If your site updates frequently, you may want a shorter TTL, whereas a site with static content can benefit from a longer duration. Now, this next step is crucial to ensure the rule functions as intended. Make sure the Cache Everything rule is positioned below any bypass rules in your page rules list. Bypass rules tell Cloudflare to skip caching for certain content, and those rules should take precedence over the Cache Everything rule. You can easily drag and drop the rules to reorder them if needed. Finally, once everything is set up, click on Save and Deploy to activate your configuration. Cloudflare will now begin caching your entire site according to the rules you've just created. This can lead to faster page loads and reduce strain on your web server, which is especially helpful during high traffic periods. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Cache Everything in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.